Kumusta? Welcome po sa aming kusina. This is Dash of Spices. Today, I'm going to show you how I made this very healthy, very nutritious, powerful dish using malunggay or moringa. Moringa has a lot of health benefits. It's considered a superfood. If you want to learn how I made this recipe, please stay tuned and watch the entire video. And here's our ingredients. Malunggay or moringa. Here's the benefits of malunggay. And now to prepare the malunggay leaves or the moringa. All you need here is the leaves. If you could remove those thick stem, you have to remove them because this could cause choking. But those tiny ones, those skinny ones, that will be fine because when you cook them, it softens it. So you could at least chew them. But with the thick ones, you gotta remove it like this ones. So it takes time to prepare a malunggay, but it's worth it. This is a powerful leaves. If you read the benefits of it, it's very, very powerful. Next is the shrimp, which is I call the naked shrimp. There's no skin and tail and head. And now we have tomatoes, garlic, and onions. We have lemongrass and ginger. This will be our powerful spices. And now here's the shrimp skin and the tail, which we're gonna use for shrimp sauce. And now I'm just warming up my pan. And also I'm preparing the shrimp sauce by just adding a cup of water, also a pinch of salt and garlic. And you're just gonna let this boil for about 5 minutes. Just keep an eye on it, make sure that there's still broth on it. Now in a warm pan, add some sunflower oil or avocado oil. And avocado oil, you could use any oil, doesn't have to be this fancy. Just keep an eye on your shrimp sauce. Now let's cook the onions. And I add the garlic, the lemongrass, the ginger, and tomatoes. The video got cut out because my battery went kaput. Sorry about that. And now you're just gonna cover this and let it cook for 1 minute. Now you're going to add the shrimp, the naked shrimp. Just distribute that shrimp evenly on a pan. Cook the shrimp until the color change. I cooked this for about 3 minutes. Just give it a little good stir. I'm cooking this on medium heat. And now using that shrimp sauce, just pour that over the strainer. Squeeze as much as you can on the shell. The shrimp sauce will add a lot of flavor to this dish. Now season it with salt, garlic pepper, and ground black pepper. And that's all you need. The lemongrass and ginger that's actually the two powerful spices. That's all you need. So you don't need to put other spices if you have this too. Now taste it if it needs more seasoning. This depends on your liking. Now add the moringa or the malunggay leaves. This dish is actually good for people who are suffering diabetes. Malunggay or moringa leaves are known to lower blood sugar and also cholesterol. So you might want to consider malunggay. You could buy this at the Asian market, but they're frozen. I'm so lucky that my friend has this on her garden, so I got this fresh malunggay. So at this time, just cover it and let it cook for 3 minutes. This is a very healthy, powerful dish. Malunggay tree is actually considered as miracle tree because it has a lot of good, healthy benefits to your body. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of a healthy recipe, subscribe to our channel. If you have questions about this recipe or the malunggay, might be able to answer it. Just comment down below. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for our subscribers, our current subscribers. I hope you stay subscribed, and I hope we could get more subscribers out there. Thank you for visiting Dash of Spices. Until next time, ciao!